Some advice for your marriage and life. Be each other's peace. Be each other's rock. Have respect for each other. Smile at each other often. Love each other with your whole hearts. And make plenty of babies. Everyone, raise your glasses and your hearts for Michael and Kylie Albertus.
Hi. Your suit jacket looks so great. Thank you. Do I look like a Barbie?
You
Don't cry. I can't cry.
look really good.
You look great. The suit looks tremendous. Oh, and your shoes.
I know, right?
Your loafers.
We had just arrived in New Orleans, dropped our bags at the hotel, and made a beeline for Bourbon Street. Our first stop was the very bar where Kylie worked, and amid the hustle of a crowded bar, and all of us noticed Kylie, a radiant presence, gracefully managing the chaos alone. While we settled in, enjoying the live band and planning our night, Michael was already lost in conversation with Kylie. It wasn't just idle chatter, and even though she was busy, Kylie kept returning to continue their conversation, drawn back time and again to where Michael stood. Eavesdropping from the start, I heard Kylie share stories of her hometown, her studies, her family, and when it was Michael's turn, he straightened up and his voice filled with pride, and he said, "I'm from Bayonne." Soon, Michael was sharing heartfelt stories about his family, his dreams, his very essence. And as the weekend continued on, Michael would slip away each night, drawn back to the bar, back to Kylie. And anyone who knows Michael knows he wears his heart on his sleeve and his emotions on his face. And on our last day, I could tell how sad he was to be leaving the city and the girl who stole his heart. Hoping to see Kylie one more time, we went back to where it all started. And as we entered the bar, there she was. And in that moment, as Michael and Kylie locked eyes, I witnessed a connection so profound, it seemed predestined. As the doors closed behind us, their gazes conveyed more than words could, mutual recognition of a bond that had been formed swiftly, yet so deeply. And over the years, I've learned that Kylie, she wasn't even scheduled to be working that night and was only covering for someone else. And the story you've heard might sound utterly implausible, but it is clear that the fate had a plan, and their union is a reminder of love's power to defy the odds.
You look great. We're both in white.
Watch, I don't want to pull your things.
Hi. I missed you.
Wait, you're shaking.
I'm shaking.
You're shaking.
This is a big moment.
Just relax. You're all right.
Okay.
You may not like each other at times, but always love each other. There will be many times when you want your own space, but don't ever be separated. There will be times when you may not want to talk to each other, but always communicate. We're not making any wishes for you tonight because wishes have no plans. So we toast to a marriage well lived. Please raise your glasses to our bride and groom. Michael and Kylie, may your love today be more than yesterday and not enough for tomorrow. Naziz and Naomi.
Welcome, beloved family and friends. Today, we come together to witness and celebrate a remarkable journey of love between Michael and Kylie as they pledge their lifelong commitment to each other. Finding a soulmate is a rare joy, a treasure that they have found in one another. And today, their love is forever sealed. As I stand before you, I'm profoundly grateful to Michael and Kylie for allowing me to witness true love unfold. A rare gift I will cherish forever. And as we celebrate their commitment, let us all reflect on the moment of love we've seen and shared. I'm honored to join these two extraordinary souls in matrimony and grateful for the privilege of being part of their journey. Marriage transcends the mere exchanging of rings or merging of assets. It is a profound and shared commitment, invisible to most, but deeply felt in the corners of your heart. And today, remember that the truest bonds formed are those unseen, the ones that anchor your souls to one another. Marriage will enrich, test, and fortify you, bringing depths of appreciation and confidence previously unimagined. Your love, balanced and unconditional, will continue to flourish.
Michael, when I think of you, I think of serendipity, the gift of finding valuable things in the most unexpected circumstances. And while meeting you was by complete chance, we chose to stand by each other's side for these past years as I stand before you today.
Kylie, it is surreal that we are at this moment in our lives together. I knew from the moment I met you that my life would change forever. You have a heart of gold, and I thank you so much for always sticking by my side through thick and thin.
I vow to be your light in the dark. I vow to be your optimism and your patience. I vow to celebrate you, support you, and always show up for you. I vow to comfort you and stand by your side even when the Jets lose.
Today I stand before you ready to embark on this incredible journey together. I vow to honor, love, and protect you for all the days of my life. I vow to always support you in your dreams and endeavors as I always have, and I vow to cherish you in every moment and memory that we share and create in this life together.
I vow to choose you every day, no matter what life brings us. Within you, I've found my home. I have loved you before, I love you now, and I'll find you wherever we end up in the next life, and I'll love you there too.
I vow to stand by your side through every joy and every challenge and through every laugh and every tear. I promise to always be there to pick you up when life knocks you down, and I promise to always be your biggest fan that screams the loudest from your corner. With you, I have found my home, my heart, and my peace. I am forever grateful that God helped me find you. I am forever grateful that you will be my partner for the rest of my life, and I promise to always make you feel as cherished and loved as you make me feel every single day. I love you now and forever.
Remember to say I love you, fight over who loves each other more, hold hands, be silly together, cry over the beauty of the world, but most importantly, share your love with those around you.
Mr. and Mrs. Albertus. Wow, it feels good to finally say that.
I knew Michael met someone very special when he would be locked in his room till all hours of the night, and instead of screaming at those video games, he was laughing and being giddy on the phone.
Yo, Case, I met this shorty, bro. She was kind of fire, not gonna lie. She was definitely feeling the kid.
And when we met this beautiful, kind, Southern gal named Kylie, everything made sense. When you have a son, you always pray that the woman he chooses as his life partner will mesh with the family. Well, God has answered our prayers.
We love all of you so very much, and we're in disbelief at all of the love and support that we have here tonight from each and every one of you, from the bottom of our hearts.
I give you this ring
As a sign that I choose you
to be my wife
to be my husband, my partner,
and my best friend
to the end of my days.
to the end of my days.
By virtue of the authority vested in me under the laws of the state of Louisiana, I now pronounce you husband and wife Michael, you may now kiss your bride.
And I wish you an eternity of love, joy, and blessings. I love you both more than you will ever know.
May your glass be ever full. May the roof over your head be always strong. And may you be in heaven a half hour before the devil knows you're dead. Cheers.
I know together you can push each other to your greatest heights and pull each other up from any depths. Congrats, y'all. I love you guys.
And I am happy you fell in love with a voodoo woman named Kylie. I love you. Everyone loves you. So if we could all just raise a glass. God bless. Cheers.